Welcome back to Automating IngramSpark. In the last video, we created and configured an IngramSpark integration and imported the titles. In this video, we're going to be looking at creating your storefront. There are going to be 3 videos about this, one for Shopify, one for Squarespace, and one for WooCommerce. To begin, click Create Now. You can see the IngramSpark connection we made. Let's click Create Integration again. This time, we'll select Squarespace. Name it Squarespace Connection and click the blue check. You can see we're brought right into Squarespace for an OAuth authentication. It says Connect Daemon MDM, and it says the permissions that Daemon needs. Let's click Allow. We're brought right back into Daemon, and you can see that the OAuth connection has a check and the webhook configuration has a check. Let's click Next, and let's click Check again. That's all you need to connect Squarespace. So next we'll look at adding SKUs. If you ever want to look at the logs for your Squarespace, click View Logs to see all the orders that have come through. I'm in my Squarespace store now, and you can see I have one product. Let's click into it. As you could see on the listing, and as you can see here, it's using the default Squarespace SKU, which means it won't come into Daemon, so we need to update this. In my product, I see the ISBN and the ISBN listed here. Back in my store, I can type ISBN in all caps with a colon after it, and paste my ISBN 13 with no dashes. Then click Save. Now this product is set correctly, and orders containing it will come in correctly. For different variants, for each one of them, you'll have to go in and update the SKU. For example, that one. I don't have more SKUs, but if I did, I would have to paste them here. If 2 products have the same SKU, they'll come in as the same product in Daemon. Let's click out and click Save as before. Back in the setup page, we can see the step 3, create your storefront integration, is now marked as completed. Step 4 is modify your store SKUs or add Daemon product identifiers. We did already add our SKU, but there's a helpful SKU report here. If you click it, you can see every product in the installation, the ISBN SKU, and the Daemon SKU. Either one can be used. When we're done updating all of our SKUs, click Confirm. The next step is sending a test order from our site. So let's go do that. We'll use a test card to place a test order and click Continue. Now we can see our order is pending fulfillment. Let's go back to Daemon. When we click the flag icon and click on the name that appears, we can see the order came in correctly. It's important to note that Shopify test orders won't show this. Back in the setup page again, let's click Refresh. You can see it accepted our test. Now the final step is to create the IngramSpark automation. Once you do this, your installation is live and orders will place with IngramSpark. So click Create Automation to do that. I'm going to skip that for now. Once you do that, your integration is live and orders will place from your store to IngramSpark. When you do click Create Automation, the automation will be created under Management Automation. And there should be only one listing here. If there are multiple automations, orders may place multiple times. So be careful not to make additional ones. The next videos will focus on how to manage print on demand and how to view issues. I'll see you there.